Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Mic Zero. To install Mic Zero, first unzip the downloaded installation package. Then locate the setup file and run it as an administrator. The installer may take a few moments to initialize. When the installation wizard appears, click Next to begin. Review the license agreement, accept the terms, and click Next to continue. Model engines, dialogues, and example files are installed by default. You can choose to exclude specific components if needed. Next, select your license type. You can also configure your license after installation if preferred. For this demonstration, select Demo Mode and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. If any required prerequisite components are missing, they will be installed automatically. Mic Zero is now being installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. You can now launch Mic Zero in demo mode from the Start menu. That's it! Visit our customer care portal for additional resources and support.